to my lovely wife. You are the one who sleeps near me, a source of encouragement. You don't know how strong I feel when you normally congratulate me because of working hard. And you know, I normally tell you, sometimes I'll go out of our home even for a week, just not to feed you, but also to feed your mothers and your fathers who are seated in this church. Let us remain faithful in the service of the Lord. And as we were told that there is a special place for us in heaven, even if we die of hunger, we will go to that beautiful place that is in heaven. Continue supporting me, and I will serve these people and also give you more babies.